Location, location, location. Today we've got a 3-bedroom terrace house located within a stone's throw of the train station, town centre and Somerset County Cricket Ground. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. This property's been extended towards the rear, creating this lovely dining space, allowing for 2 reception rooms in the property. And to the front, the porch has been split into 2 to allow WC for family living. Let's go and take a look upstairs. If you like what you've seen in this video and are interested in viewing the property, let us know. Equally, if you'd like a valuation on your property, then we'd love to hear from you. Thanks ever so much.